property. Here's what I want to do before we do the notes. The homework, just the front. Okay? Just the front of the homework. It's quite a few problems. Just the front. All right, everybody take out and write today's date. Today is the 28th. Gotta teach you, for some of you, something new.
Wait, well, what's something new?
Well, let's get the title on there, and then we'll discover if it is new or not new.
Okay.
Let me find my notes.
10, 20.
Trying to get Oscar in trouble, I see, by shouting out his name, causing attention to yourselves. All right.
Oh, no.
All right, distributive property.
I know this one.
Good.
Which one?
Distributive property. DIS. All right, here we go. 5 parentheses x plus 2 inside the parentheses. Okay. What do I do?
So you add the first one. You multiply.
What do you mean? What do I multiply from?
5 and 2.
Interesting.
You figure out what's x equal to or.
There is, x is going to be unknown. So we can't do anything. Now, if you look at the parentheses, can you do anything here?
No.
Nope. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the distributive property. Does anybody know what the word distribute mean?
You mean
like in the real world? Just
break
distribute?
down.
Huh?
Breaks down.
Like spread it out.
Spread it out. Yeah.
Distributing like
What do I distribute every day in this class?
homework.
And what does that mean?
Giving out.
I give out, right? Yes?
Is it like this 5, then like you change the x to a 5?
No, we don't know what x is. X is going to be x forever in this problem. So when at the end of the period I give out homework, right? I distribute homework. Now, do I distribute homework to everybody? Yes, evenly, right? So I give homework to everybody. Here is the same thing. I'm going to distribute the 5 to everything that's inside the parentheses with these arrows. I want to see these beautiful arrows on your paper, Alex, right now. Beautiful arrows on your paper. That means that you're going to give the 5 to the x and the 5 to the 2. It's kind of like trick-or-treating. They go trick-or-treating, everybody gets candy. Here's how the math works. 5 times x
5
plus 5 times 2. You have to give the 5 to everybody. Not just the first person who shows up at the door, but everybody in the group. Okay, trick question. Let's see who knows this. What's 5 times x?
5.
5x. You squish it together.
Because the x is 1. I'm so smart.
5x. So when you have a variable and a number, you kind of just squish it together in multiplication. Plus, let's do this math. 10. 5 times 2. 10.
45.
I just said Alex.
It's 15x.
This is my Alex.
Okay. Can we put these two things together?
Yep. Oh, no.
Nope.
5x is like saying I have 5 pumpkins. And the 10 is like saying I have $10.
You had 5 pumpkins.
I have 5 pumpkins and $10. Can I say that I have 15 pumpkins?
No.
Nope. Can I say that I have $15?
No.
No. I have. So x is like an unknown thing. It's like pumpkins, bananas, strawberries, whatever.
Money.
It's 5x. I don't know what it is. I can't put these together. You are actually done with your math.
You didn't write that. That's your answer.
That is your answer. So your answer looks like a problem that you didn't finish. But you did. You finished it.
That's all you didn't remember.
I don't understand.
Okay, we knock at the next house. How much candy are they going to distribute to us? 8. Everybody gets 8. You get 8? You get 8. And we use multiplication. 8 times 4 plus 8 times m. What's 8 times 4?
36. No, 32.
Plus, hard question, what's 8 times m?
8M.
8m. You squish it together. These two you squish together.
That's the answer.
Can I put these two together?
No.
Nope, because this one has a variable m and this one does not. So they stay separate.
Okay, so now I get it. So you have to multiply the first two numbers, and then you multiply it or whatever you do. And then for the second one, you have to.
Still multiply.
Yeah.
Because here the variable was in the front, and here, Lupita, the variable was in the back.
And what if they have the different letters, but they still have the letters? What if they have it? You still multiply, or you?
Yeah, you can always multiply. You can multiply anything you want. What you can't do is add together. If they don't have, if this one's an x and this one is just a number, I can't add them. I can multiply them, but I can't.
What if they're 2x? Like,
Then you can put them together, which I'll show you in a second.
Is it something where the lights getting darker?
There's like a lot of, it's gonna be colder this week with more cloud coverage.
What's that?
So it's getting darker.
Cloud.
Oh, there's more clouds than usual.
That's why you
Does that mean-
you can sense
Is
it.
that gonna equal
Cloudy
rain?
is cloudy.
Some areas is gonna be rain. Some areas, maybe more like LA than us.
Wait, what next week?
Wait, what?
All right.
You.
So we go to this house, knock on their door, and they give us 10.
Whoa.
Jackpot, jackpot.
That's the richest cat. That's the richest.
Yeah,
That's the
rich
richest
house,
rich
rich
house.
house, rich areas. They're all
Mr.
inside.
Richie.
10G. Now you see how this is a minus? So we bring it down, minus.
-3.
Then 10 times 3. So even though it's a minus, you just use it. What's 10 times G?
10G.
Please. Minus, do this math. What's 10 times 3?
30.
Can I put these two together?
No.
Nope. So you are done.
Complete color.
So that just makes sense.
All right, try doing this one on your own.
Easy.
You can do this one on your own, please, while I get some H2O.
It's all oxygen and water.
Water.
Oh my.
All right, what'd you guys get?
I got 4W minus 28.
Me too.
You should have done this.
W plus 28.
No.
Minus.
Does it make a difference if he says minus and we say add or vice versa?
Yes.
Yes. You got to use the operation they gave us.
Oh.
That's how they trick you.
I didn't see it.
Don't go too fast. All right, are we okay? So that's level 1. This is our answer. Level 1.
2000.
Now let's do level
2000.
2. Let's see if you can catch the difference.
The letters up.
Letters outside.
So
Same
you
thing.
don't count the letters.
Same thing. Everybody gets an M and an M. So everybody gets an M. So M times 3 plus M times 5.
Oh,
Does it come first or does it come
Equals.
after?
Technically, oh, I have it lost. Oh,
It's 8M.
Oh, you're so smart.
8 it's 8
hey, come on in. Welcome to the fun world of
Free food? Who is this? Free food. Interesting.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, they're not giving to the homeless.
Giving to me.
I'm pretty hungry.
Why I just do that maybe
All the while,
they're always talking.
you're always joking.
I know.
Is that Gatorade?
I want to. I haven't eaten. Haven't eaten in 3 weeks. I hear
Okay, we're recording.
Oh yeah, we are. Recording.
Okay, so how would we write our final answer of m times 3?
3 plus 5, no, 3m plus 5m equals 8m.
All right, so you should, at the end, we always want the number in the front. Okay, so you see how we put the number in the front? That's a good way of writing in algebra. Always putting the number in the front. I put the letter here just to show you that everybody gets the M.
This is algebra.
Okay, now, do both of these have the same variable?
Yes.
Yes. So what is our final answer?
8m.
Yes. Question.
Why do we put at the front?
It's called a coefficient. And some mathematician a long time ago says we must put the number in the front. And that's a way so everybody puts it in the front. And that's a way for everybody to have the same right answer. When we say it out loud, everyone's going to say 3m plus 5m. We're not going to have that one kid that shouts out M3. And you're like, who said that? Right? So it's a proper way of saying math. Someone agreed to, you know what? We're going to put the number in the front. That way when we all shout out, we all shouting out the same way. Okay. Mr. Math, hello. You know what? Mrs. Math. Okay. What's 3m plus 5m? 8m. Because they're the same letters. We'll go over this a lot more tomorrow. Because they're the same letters, we can put them together. That's the only time we're going to put them together. Yes.
What if they're different letters? Is that possible?
I like that question. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yes.
What happens if there's 2 numbers?
Let's.
2 letters.
Okay, let's do that. We have 2 letters, right? Okay. What are we distributing?
3.
3.
3 times 4.
3 times 4m plus 3 times 6w. Right? We give everyone a 3. We can multiply. Even though they have variables, we can still multiply. Okay, what's 3 times 4m? 12m. Plus, what's 3 times 6? 18w. Now, can I put these 2 together? No. But they both have variables. But what's wrong with them?
They're different letters.
They're different. This is like 12 monkeys plus 18 watermelons. Can't put those together. We okay with that? Okay, last thing. Yes.
What happens if there's 2 letters in the same number? Like 4MW.
It's still the same. You still can't.
Can't. So we're going to get to those, Mel. So for example, if it was like 4m plus 4x, the number's the same, right? But it's the variables, Oscar, that count. So if the variables are not the same, you're done. We're going to be working with a lot of variables these next 2 weeks. All right, one last thing I got to show you so you're ready for this worksheet.
The worksheet's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
I hope so. Level 3.4.
Oh, no.
Easy. Level 3.4.
0.5.
0.4.
What's different about this one?
It's negative. It's a negative.
It's a negative number outside.
So it's negative.
Is Dorito Man in this?
Yep.
No.
Yay, Dorito Man. All right, Juliana, write this down because this is new.
Woo.
What are we going to multiply by?
Negative. Times.
We're going to multiply by negative 5 times x. Now, whatever this is, Alex, we just bring it straight down. Negative 5 times 2.
What?
So everybody gets a negative 5, right?
You have to put the 2 in the front. Or it doesn't matter which order.
Does not really.
Okay.
It's multiplication.
I got 5.
So we knock at the house, and they give us negative 5 candy. How does that work? Okay.
You give negative 5 candy.
You give them to them. They're like, I'm sorry, I ran out. Oh, well, here's 5. I have a lot of candy. I'm sure you would all do that, right?
Oh, here, have
Hell no.
All right. What's negative 5 times x?
negative 5. Negative 5x.
So here we just squish it together. It looks like hard math, but it's not. Plus, what's a negative times a positive?
Negative. So it's negative 10.
Negative, and then 5 times 2? 10.
Oh, that's easy.
So you're just carrying the negatives. You're using what we learned about Dorito Man to help us with this assignment. That's already published.
Oh, I knew that. It's easy.
Dorito Man.
Wait, Dorito Man or Dorito person?
Dorito Man. Dorito Man sounds more iconic. Whoever finishes first. I've never heard of a
We like light work. I like this
You
work.
have a Dorito person.
You guys, well, this is so thick. I only need 1 page.
Doesn't matter.
Don't wrinkle my paper, please.
Yeah, it always starts with something, right?
What side do we start on?
All right, ladies, gentlemen.
It's a good question.
The first 2 are already done for us. They're examples. Okay. Alex, question? What's up?
What if there's no letters?
Oh, I forgot to do number 7. Number 9. Everybody go down to number 9. Everybody go down to number 9. Oh my God, emergency. Not really. Okay, number 9 is level 3. What's different about number 9?
The letters, the numbers on the other side.
Yeah, you see how this number's on the back side? It's kind of like, those houses that have 2 houses in one lot. There's a front house and then there's a back house.
Yeah.
So you go trick-or-treating and you have to knock at the back door. So, it's still the same thing. You're going to give the 7 to the 13 and the 7 to the x. It's still the same. The 7's just in the back side. No big deal.
Or for number 3, you subtract 2 times.
Wait, what
Yeah.
about for what number 3 is? There's no
You
letters.
can, you do the distributive property and you can actually tell me what it equals at the end.
So
like-
it's just normal multiplication.
Yeah.
Miss, what do you do for the ones that have multiple letters?
You do like we did in our notes.
3 plus x plus.
Look, like this one.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's on.
Right out. So,
It's still recording.
yeah, it's fine. I'll just pause in a second. We're gonna look for this answer. Maybe tomorrow.
Miss, no man.
Tomorrow maybe I'll have them keep change opposite, but I'm not gonna worry about it.
Is yours a back? No.
What is it, bad?
I knew it
Oh gosh, darn it.
All right, distribute. Everybody gets the 4. Everybody's distributing.
Wait for the first one. You just multiply it straight away. Wait.
So what's what you know?
Your multiplication.